Creating reports in Freshdesk allows you to analyze support metrics and improve your team's performance. Here's how to create reports in Freshdesk. Log into Freshdesk. Access your Freshdesk account and go to the dashboard. Navigate to Analytics. Click on the Analytics tab in the sidebar. This will direct you to the Reporting and Analytics section. Choose report type. Freshdesk offers various report types like ticket reports, agent performance, and customer satisfaction. Select the type that best fits your needs. Select report template or custom report. You can either use predefined report templates or create a custom report. For custom reports, click on Create New Report or Custom Report. Define report criteria. Specify the criteria for your report, such as date range, ticket status, agent performance metrics, or customer feedback. You can use filters to narrow down the data. Generate report. Click Generate or Run Report to create the report based on your criteria. The system will compile the data and present it in a graphical or tabular format. Save and share report. Save the report for future reference and share it with stakeholders. You can export reports in formats like PDF or Excel if needed.